exploring the idea of starting your own private school business, but are daunted by the whole procedures? If so, then you are the right place. My name is Osla Ijoma. I am a school business owner. I've been in school business for 10 years and it has been a fulfilling vocation for me. I set up this channel to help you plan and start your private school business and also work you through all the essential steps you need to achieve success in your school business. New videos will be released on this channel every week, and the videos will focus mainly on school planning, organization and management of school, current trends and issues in education to help you achieve success in your school business. So if you are passionate about what I'm talking about, hit on the subscribe button and turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my regular uploads, because I know you will love them. See you soon.